This video will show you how to log into your account and set up auto payment or make a one-time payment. The first thing you'll want to do is enter your email address and password. If you haven't set that up yet, you'll want to go to New Customer Registration. We have another video that will help you with that. You will need a copy of your invoice because that will show you your customer number and your registration key. Once you've gone through that process, you'll enter your email address and enter your password and log in. Once you're logged into your account, you can review your invoices, print your invoice, or even pay an invoice. But before we can pay an invoice, we need to create a payment method. So we're going to go to this tab called CC eChecks, and it'll ask me, do I want to set up a credit card or an eCheck? If I want to do credit card, I click Add Credit Card. It will ask me my credit card and expiration date. If I click Next, it'll ask me to verify my address, and then I'll click Save. In this example, I'm going to do an eCheck, so I'm going to add an eCheck. I'm going to go enter my routing number. I'm going to enter my account number again, and verify it's a checking account, and click Next. Review my billing information. That all looks good. I'm going to click Save, and now I have created my payment method. Once I've created my payment method, I can return to the Invoice tab. If I click over here, I can pay this invoice one time. That would just be a single one-time payment. I want to set this up on AutoPay. So I'm going to click AutoPay, and I'm going to choose the payment method I just created. That was an eCheck, and that's the account. I'm going to click Save, and now every month when I get this monthly bill, it will pay it automatically. If I would like to make a one-time payment, I can click Pay Invoice. It's going to ask me for a description. Think of this like the memo line on a check. You could put March monitoring. You could put the invoice number, maybe 15912. You have to have something in this field, but you can put anything you want that might be useful. You're going to choose your payment method. If it's a credit card and I choose this, I don't have one, so I could go create a new one. I have already created an eCheck, so I'm going to choose my eCheck. There's no late fees here, and I'm going to say Submit Payment. You'll see a confirmation at the top of the screen that says the payment is successful. If you have any trouble with this, you can always give us a call, 254-773-7300. You can call us or text us. We're happy to help you through this process, or we'll do it for you. You can just give us your information. We'll take your payment over the phone and manage your account for you. We know some people like to do it themselves online. Other people would like for us to do it for you. We're happy to do either one at InHouse Systems. We really care about your safety, your security, and we appreciate you being our customer. Thank you.